Hey there, I'm Dr. Jeremiah Sample from Family First Chiropractic, and I'm here today to talk to you about a common reason why many people seek out a chiropractor, and that's neck pain. Now, whether your neck pain is caused by an accident that you had, a fall, or maybe just repeated bad habits like poor phone posture or sitting at a desk. Well, what happens over time, or at the time of the accident, is you'll have a joint misaligned. Usually here in the cervical spine or in the upper thoracic. Now this joint misalignment, which we call a subluxation, causes tiny disruptions in interspinous fibers. Now they don't have the same nerve supply as other fibers, so generally you don't feel pain at this point. However, the body can sense this, so it causes an inflammatory response, which is just to protect it and cushion the area. However, over time, too much cushioning of the area will cause a disruption of the nerve fibers as they exit. This leads to a muscle spasm, much like splitting a fracture. This muscle spasm then causes that joint to fixate, meaning it is definitely not going back on its own anymore. So, as chiropractors, what we do is we take a detailed history to figure out how this first started, any necessary examinations, and then we'll take whatever x-rays are needed in order to figure out exactly what's misaligned, the root cause of your problem, and how best to take care of it. If you have any questions about your neck pain or the neck pain with somebody else or questions in general about neck pain, please comment below and we will reach out to you.